Yo, yo, yo. It's the little LA Stay Live. I'm back again with another bird chakra video. Hey, it's all about the chakras. So, as you can see, the house finch is feeding, and whenever there's a house finch, there could be many colors of house finches around, but this here seems to be the color brown. Tapping in with the solar plexus. Also, you have here there is the northern flicker, tapping in with the root chakra, the money chakra, going into its certain spot. Now you have the blue west, the western blue bird, tapping into your third eye chakra, also with a little brown there, the solar plexus, as it flies away. I'm thankful for the activity. But while you're in here, go ahead, hit that like button, share, and subscribe. Definitely share with those who are into nature, chakras, understanding colors and its vibrations. Here we have another western bluebird. It has its brown connecting with the solar plexus and the blue indigo connecting with the third eye chakra. We also have the cardinal here connecting with the root chakra, the money chakra. So we have lots of activity as of now as they uh, love the attention. Right now, we are we have activated our money chakra with this red cardinal. Also, the sacral chakra is involved with its beak. Yes, the money chakra is activated. The house finch is back along with the titmouse. The titmouse will give you activate your heart chakra with the gray, and the house finch is activating the solar plexus with the brown. The normal, the normal solar plexus common color is the color of the sun, which is yellow. We know that the actual color of the sun is white, but in the naked eye, you would receive the color yellow or maybe orange. So I say yellow, concerning the solar plexus. Everyone knows that the chakra, well, not everyone, but if you didn't know, the chakra below the heart chakra is the solar plexus, and it resonates with the sun. Here we have two cardinals. Oh no, there's a northern flicker and a cardinal, both activating the root chakra. The northern flicker activates the root chakra with the red on the back of his head and also the black that is amongst his feathers. And the western bluebird has just activated our third eye chakra along with the solar plexus. As it flies away, we are getting quite some activity here. Hey, if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and let me know that you're stopping through. Leave a comment below. Let me know which bird is your favorite bird. That'll be some good information for me to understand what it is that you guys are interested in outside of, inside of nature. Right now, where I'm feeding birds with safflower seeds and a little bit of sour bread inside of a shoebox. Titmouse has just activated the heart chakra. There's a nuthatch. The nuthatch also activates the heart chakra and the root chakra. And well, northern flicker came in quite fastly to let us know that the root chakra was activated, and he is activated by the nuthatch. Okay, so if you didn't know that one way you can get this same activity is by getting you some food that you know that the birds may like, put it in a certain area where they feel safe eating, and you can get this same activity in your front backyard and so on and so forth to encourage yourself to get these same vibrations that I'm receiving and to understand your frequency. That's what it's about. Understanding your frequency. These birds are on my frequency. And so whatever bird I see, it only reminds me of which chakra is activated within my vortexes, within my body, amongst my vibrations. That's another cool way to tap into your chakras. Bird watching. Hey, there was a lot of activity there. I want to thank you guys for stopping through. Don't forget to hit the like button. Um, for those that didn't know that I have certain events coming up, you can check it out in the community section. Also in the about section, go ahead and check out my website, Georgia Get In Connect. Hit that first link that says Georgia Get In Connect in the about section. Go to the resources, see what I have available, and tap in. We're just tapping out right now with the root chakra and the nuthatch, also the heart chakra, dealing with the heart chakra.